Mic check, mic check. All right, cool, 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 cool. All right, let's see what gold's got for us today. How you guys do? How you guys doing? How are we? How are we? How are we? Guys, I'm looking at gold right now. Gold's in a really weird spot. There's a couple of areas for gold at the moment. I think we got one more pullback for gold before we make all-time highs. Being completely honest with you, from where we are currently, all-time highs is 130 pips away. So the idea for today is catch that pullback to then go long. Now, realistically, what I would have preferred is if we swept these lows, well, this low wasn't swept yet, but if we swept this low, played into a 15-minute candle down here to then go long. But right now, looking at how the picture is building, okay, looking at current order flow, essentially all we've had is this hour candle. We've pulled back, tested it, we've shot up, okay. Then when you refine down to the 15-minute candle, okay, the same picture on the hourly, we have a 15-minute play here. So again, it's not the best, but it's not the best, guys, but we're gonna try to do the best that we can with what we have, okay. So I've been watching this on the M1. It's a bit erratic right now. Because the thing is, yeah, ideally we want to do something like this, right, and go for all-time highs, maybe even a 30 pip stop. I don't want to enter too high up because we've only got 130 pip range to work with. So hopefully we can get into this. How you guys doing anyways? You guys good? PPI claims and jobless claims that came out just now. The initial jobless claims is worse than expected. PPI is better than expected. So there's a bit of contrast there. Sorry, flip it round. The initial jobless claims is better than expected. PPI is worse than expected. So essentially, we've just got to wait for a picture. I'd really want to buy gold though. I don't think gold has anything else left to do than be a buy. I don't think we have anything else left to do for gold. Okay, that's interesting. DXY is pushing up. Okay, like I said to you guys, at some point we need to anticipate the dollar gaining strength. Junior says, all good, bro. Good to have you, man. Okay, here's what we can do, yeah? Guys, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced this is an area we can or we should be buying from with confidence. Like, don't get me wrong, we could get the buy out of here. Um, so for those of you that are looking for the buy, like myself, on gold, we could get a buy. If we can get a little pullback into this 2 minute imbalance, it's not a bad area to go long, right? 40 pips also covers the low. Right? It's okay. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's ideal, but it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's valid. Let me just set this up in the Discord. Let's see if we can't get a little something, something. Just a little something, something. Don't worry, guys. I see your comments in the chat box. Give me a second. Let me just put out these coordinates or entries. Like, I just don't like gold's price action right now. I mean, at least for the pre-market, we are gapping up. So pre-market data is up. Yesterday played out really well. All right, we took out that low, then we went up to make a new high of the day. So that was a pretty smooth move. For today, I kind of just want to see it continue higher, maybe rival these highs here or potentially this high here. I think this is close to all-time highs. No, not quite. Okay. All right. I'm gonna start buying gold, fellas. Yeah. My stop is gonna be this one here. Right now DXY is pumping with conviction. Realistically, I don't here's the thing, I don't like this area, right? For longs, but I'm not gonna let yesterday, because yesterday we had a long position right at the wick here, right? Yesterday, potentially, we could have caught this whole push to the upside, right? We could have caught like 300 pips yesterday, but we didn't enter here because there was not enough confirmation, right? Which, of course, is part of your strategy and whatnot, so it's okay. But today, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a light buy, see how that does, see how that progresses, and then we can get a little bit more aggressive with it. So for now, I'm gonna start buying gold where it is now because yeah, we're inside the 15-minute candle, looking at current flow of price. There's a chance here, right? There's a chance here. So this is the entry. Just taking that now. Let's see how that does. Because the thing is, right, even if this does drop lower, yeah, let's just give it a go, fellas. Let's just give it a go. Let's just give it a go. All right. So I'm in this move here. I don't like the move, but we're just gonna play it. Just see how it does. What's this? Money Day Joe. What you saying, broski? How you doing, my bro? Pre-market open since 20 minutes. Pre-market. Pre-market doesn't open just like pre-market is just there, but essentially market will open in what's the time now? Market will open in 40 minutes, yeah. New York is open, yeah. Zeno, money there, guys. What's happening, my bro? You good? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I mean, my spreads must have been high for me to get dropped so high up. 29.45.8. No, it says it's right here. Then why doesn't this stop beneath the low? Hold on. Let me just check IC markets chart, see what that looks like. Look at how those 15-minute candles closed on IC markets compared to forex.com. IC markets gives me way more confidence. Like with these 15-minute candle closures, I would double down. Right? These 15-minute candles were given rejection. But anyways, it's fine. We've made a move. Everyone should be in profit now. A little bit of profit. Let's not get too excited too soon. Let's just let this play out. Okay, so ideally, if this is going to give us a nice continuation to the upside, we're going to look for all-time highs, which is here. Alright, that's going to be the exit. With DXY pulling back right now as well, we can... okay. I'm going to set some alerts. I reckon DXY can probably drop to around here, maybe give us a new leg higher. Okay, so essentially we could get 100 pips out of this. Let's just say about 1 to 2 looks likely if we are gonna push up in our direction. All right. So new hourly candle opens really soon. We're in an interesting area. I'd just rather we push up a little bit more before the new hour candle opens. Because if the new hour candle opens, again, we need to anticipate the high of the hour, the low of the hour, right? Okay. Getting quite an aggressive push lower. Quite the push lower right now. Let's see. Let's see. The only thing I don't like with the most recent push up is we didn't take out a high. But even if we pull down into drawdown, we could just be pulling back, tap into this 1 minute down candle before giving another leg. But again, we gave it a go, so let's just see how it plays out.
Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up. Maybe it's the love, the drugs.
Like, price action for gold right now is not the best. Like, I don't like being in drawdown when there's a new hourly candle opening up. But we're already here, so let's just see. I wonder if Bitcoin's clapping down. 82, that looks down. Ooh, okay. Probably should have sent a short out for Bitcoin as well, because that looks pretty nice. BTC. All right, looks like we'll probably hit stop right now. Gold is not chilling out. All right, we're still in this. Still in this. Let's just see. To be honest, inside this move, we definitely do look like we're gonna hit stop. But what I'm looking for is this area here to hold. All right. I want this 1 minute candle to hold. If we don't hold, then obviously stopped out. Whoop-de-whoop. The DXY dollar's been quite strong today. Looks like we're finally gonna go for those highs there on the DXY. Oh my goodness, guys, Bitcoin is tanking right now. Oof. Bitcoin is really going for it, fellas. Alright, guys, if you're watching the live stream right now and you're enjoying the live stream so far, don't forget to leave a like on the live. We are currently in this gold move. I don't even know if we hit TP1. We might have. Okay, we just about tapped TP1. But we are now in drawdown. We just about tapped TP1. Who's here with me on the live right now? Come to the chat box, let's have a convo. If you're new, I provide a lot more chart analysis inside of my Discord server. Link to the Discord is in the description box down below. In fact, I don't even know for sure if that link for Discord still works. Maybe it's expired. I need to check that. Yeah, we're probably out. We're out. We're out. We're out. We're out of this gold move. That might be it, fellas. We might be chalked. Yeah, we're done. Okay. I've just been tapped out of one of the accounts. Okay, so let's see this play out a little bit longer. I did say I didn't like this area, to be honest with you. that swipe, that stop with aggression, boy. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, yeah? We're just gonna wait for lower prices. And we're gonna see if we can maybe get into a sell for this. Maybe. We're very close to all-time highs. Like, in an ideal scenario, in an ideal world, I prefer a buy from here, right? Maybe, let's just say today we don't actually take out all-time highs, right? Let me just think out loud for a second. Maybe today we don't take out all-time highs. Let me go to a clearer chart. Maybe today we don't take out all-time highs, okay? We get a daily candle close or maybe somewhere where we are now. And we leave behind a little bit of imbalance, right? So then Friday comes along, we get a push down into the imbalance, similar to yesterday. We get a dip down into the imbalance, we get an entry somewhere inside of here, and then gold goes for the all-time highs. I think, you know, that would be a really nice weekly candle close. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? That would be a pretty nice weekly candle to look at. Gold is dropping. That's another 20 pips to the downside. Okay. So there is another buy area for gold. I don't know if I want to enter from there. Like, look, we could enter gold off of this hourly candle as well. But since we are dropping lower, that means the range to all-time high is a lot more now. Right, so from here to all-time high is 100 and let's say 160 pips. Okay, we were unlucky with that little buy earlier. We'll find another entry, go long again. Yesterday, I took no trades yesterday. Did I take him? No, I don't think I did yesterday. Wait, did I take a trade yesterday? 1 second, guys. Yeah, yesterday I didn't take any moves. To be honest, I wouldn't mind a Bitcoin short as well. Gold looks pretty good to keep dropping. What are you guys looking at for today? Any pairs? What? No one's looking at any pairs at the moment, yeah? Joe says just gold right now. Okay. Yeah, just took a little L on gold there. But I'm confident we'll get that back. The question is where? You know? We got area 1, area 2, area 3. Well, we had 4 areas. The first area failed. So we've got 1 and 2 and then 3. Okay, so realistically, in an ideal world, what I want to see this do is come back into here. So this candle, that would be, the high is 2935.8. I'd like to take a buy from there. That would be the next buy area. Like, the thing is, yeah, hourly, high, 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 low, high, high. So realistically, we shouldn't be taking out this low. Realistically. But we all know gold doesn't always like to play fair. So that'll be the next area we can go long from potentially. And to all-time highs, we can have a much higher R&R, about 1 to 5. That's pretty decent actually. But yeah, guys, like I said to you guys, I think it was yesterday, for those of you that joined me inside of the Discord stream, it's like moves are a lot smoother later on in the day. You know, I've been looking at my statistics recently, and the moves have been coming a lot better, smoother later on in the day. Like, the more profitable entries are happening maybe 3, 4 p.m., 5 p.m. at its latest. So what does that mean? That's like in an hour's time from now, 2 hours time from now. That's when the entries tend to be a lot smoother. And as of lately, NY session just been losses, right? And it's not necessarily losses because the analysis was incorrect. It's just losses because of the entry, the timing, right? As you guys know, like, for the most part, I'm never wrong with analysis, right? Not to toot my own horn or whatever, but I'm rarely ever wrong when it comes to analysis, right? Understanding where price is going to go, direction, is usually on point. But where there tends to be a breakdown is the timing of the entry. You know, as they say, timing the markets is one of the most difficult things to do. I think price can drop from here for gold. Right, let's see. This is not a setup, or sorry, this is a setup, but it's not an entry. It's not an entry, but it doesn't look too bad. I'm not gonna lie. If the DXY is gonna keep pumping, this has potential. But again, this is a setup. If you guys want to take it, sure, go for it. But for me, I'm just sitting on my hands for now. But I wouldn't mind, you know. I wouldn't mind going for a quick 1 to 2 hour trade for a short. Even Bitcoin shorts look pretty decent. Like, I'd prefer to short Bitcoin. Definitely prefer to short Bitcoin. Let me see if I can't take a little BTC sell. Alright, I've taken a little BTC short. Gold's also dropping. Interesting. Could we have a sell-off day today? I've taken a little short there on Bitcoin, guys. I put my stop above this high. Let me see, let me double check. Yeah, I've put my stop above this high. I've just market executed, so I'm just gonna let that play out. Let's see what happens, fellas. know. I'm getting the vibe like we might just get a sell-off day today. We might get a sell day today for gold, guys. Maybe get a sell day today. That's how I'm feeling, guys. I'm feeling we might get a sell day today. In any case, we want gold to come lower. See how Bitcoin's doing. I mean, Bitcoin just pulled up. I've taken a very, very, very small gold sell right now as well, with the Bitcoin sell as well. Let's see. So for the gold, I'm more confident in Bitcoin than for gold. Gold is high risk. I don't mind taking a loss there. I'm just gonna see how this is gonna play out, because it's like, you look at price, yeah, it's cool, whatever, whatever, but I'm not too sure right now. I'm not too sure on direction, if we are definitely heading up today or not, right? I want to see if we are onside or offside. That's what we need to gauge right now. Let's see how this goes. But I much prefer Bitcoin shorts. So the short for Bitcoin is something like this. I think the 1 minute, the high there, it's around here. Yeah, that's the high there. Okay. Obviously first TP is going to be the most recent low, but I'm looking at this low here on the 15 minute as a TP. That hourly candle is low. Like, realistically, this can drop all the way down, right? But I'm not trying to be too greedy and hold. I'll just take this little swing if we can get it. Gold's now on its way back up. Yeah, fellas. Fellas and fellas. Yeah, we need to see if we're onside or offside today. Are we onside or offside today? Give me a second, guys.
Knackered, gappy, or practically perfect?
Introducing Gemini in Slides, Gmail, and more. Powerful AI that helps businesses be more productive. With enterprise-grade security and chat, everyday tasks don't take all day. With Gemini for Google Workspace.
I've been on Shopify from the beginning. The platform is just never a worry. Like, I have so many worries, but the platform is number one. Everything is just super easy to connect and link. They really know what we need. I am Sharissa, and I leveled up my business with Shopify.
They call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. So many reasons why I want it for you, my love. Now you don't want to return, it's my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me, for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me there. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I want to make you. Oh, no. I want to make me there. Oh, no. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I want to make you. Pull over, come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, yeah. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. Make not the price be that, I like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. It's not the way that you want, make tell me with this all thing, because I never tried it, oh baby. This love will make me the starting. No. I'm gonna tell me what's up in cause I'm gonna make me there. I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh baby, oh no.
limited edition bars made to share.
Would you believe me if I told you that beginner traders are finding the highest probability trades even before the markets open using
Yeah, sorry guys, I was on mute there. What was I even saying? Yeah, right now we're just trying to see what gold wants to do. We're flickering in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And that's what we're doing right now. So right now I'm still looking at this little short setup for gold. To be honest guys, it's not the best. It's not the best. I think what we've got to do is just wait for a New York session open. Junior says, can't hear you, bro, but can hear the music. Yeah, thank you for letting me know, bro. Monday was the 10th. The only thing that I'm in right now is the gold short and Bitcoin short. Look, these are the entries with a stop, TPs. Bitcoin is pumping. Boy, Bitcoin. You see, for me, when I see just crazy wicks like this on Bitcoin, these are all liquidity grabs. So let's see how this setup plays out for Bitcoin. I didn't really give you guys a setup, but this is what I'm in. It's still inside a candle, so if you are interested in taking a Bitcoin short, you can do that as well. But I wouldn't really recommend it if you don't mind taking a loss, because to be honest, I'm more confident in Bitcoin than I am in gold. I'll tell you that. Yeah, I'll tell you that. More confident in Bitcoin than in gold right now. I think everything's stalled until the new the new half-hour candle opens. Realistically, we should be buying gold, not selling gold. That's the thing. Okay, we're getting a little pullback there on the DXY, on the M5. Little pullback. I mean, gold looks alright to potentially come down. Still gotta wait for that stock open, guys. Stock open, stock open. That's what we're waiting for.
Let me guess. You're thinking about going to therapy. And as a therapist myself, of course I'm going to say that's a great idea. But first, let's talk about the things they don't tell you. First of all, you're going to say,
Alright, we're about to hit TP1. Just need a little bit more. Take out this low here. Bitcoin's in quite a bit of drawdown right now. It looks like we're in for a tricky day, fellas. But we should be able to come out on top. To be honest, we just need to see the direction of the day. As long as we know the direction of the day, we can catch it. Right? That's what I'm working with right now. It's just like, look, all I need to do is see whether we are onside or offside. So are we going to be bullish for the day or are we going to be bearish for the day? That's all I'm looking for. So earlier we tried to buy because obviously high time frame buy, we're close to all-time highs, so buy. Right? Tried it, small profit, TP1, slam down, hit stop. Okay? Ideally, we did know from the start that better entry is from lower to buy from rather than from where we bought from earlier. So let's see if we can get into a little sell and take the lows. We got stock open in 1 minute. It definitely does look like we're in for a tricky day, fellas. You know, we're in profit for the short, now we're in drawdown for the short. Profit for the long, now we're in drawdown for the long. Well, at least OBS is behaving itself today. I'm surprised. Where's Gift? I haven't seen Gift today. Okay, GDX just opened. Stock market just opened up now. Let's see what we get. Let me see Bitcoin. It's kind of chilling. You know, Bitcoin. We'll just keep testing you, and then boom, flies. Alright, GDX is coming down. GDX is still coming down. No reaction from the dollar as of yet. So we got the new half-hour candle. This should have opened a new half-hour candle. What's this about? Is that correct? Half hour candle doesn't start from down there. Anyways, let's see. Boy, fellas, we're not having a good time right now. Bitcoin is pumping. Yeah, mate. Tough day. It hasn't quite hit stop, but it's not looking good, bruv. I'm gonna stay in the move anyways for Bitcoin. Still think it does have a chance, and gold as well. I think they all have a chance to play. GDX is pumping. DXY is also dropping as well. Looks like today might not be our day. Today might not be our day, man. Today might not be our day. Oof. It's quite aggressive. It's quite aggressive, this move here. Okay. Looks like Bitcoin is finally dropping though. At least that's some good news. You know what I mean? Go on, Bitcoin, drop lower. Give me something for gold messing about with me right now. Yeah, mate. Gold's not playing about, man. Oh my goodness, Trump, what are you on? 200% tariff on European wines. Bro, what is Trump on right now? Alright, I'm stepping out of gold. I'm going to leave gold for now. Taking 2 losses on gold. I'm just going to leave it. Just going to leave it for now. I will probably take one more move on gold for a buy. And that'll be done for the day. Because that's 2 losses now. He's trying to make America great again. Bro, he is severing so many ties. Oh, that's really annoying, man. God's going for the highs. Okay. We're going to go for a buy. I'm going to go for a buy on gold. Normal risk. If we can get a pullback. And that's going to be my last move of the day. If this doesn't play out, then that's it. I don't care about anything else. Alright. I think we should be on side now. Should be onside now. That's quite a nice push up, man. It's a shame. Gold didn't really give us any confirmations inside of here that I was going to push up. DXY is also dropping. Okay, this is the last setup for today. If I get this wrong, if I get stopped out of this, that's me done. Realistically, I'm even trying to see. To be honest, I'll just have to market execute on that. Where's the stop here? 29, 40, 41. I'm putting them at a buy limit for gold, guys. 29, 41. I get the feeling like this might be gone. Hopefully we can get a pullback before all-time highs, but it's not looking good. Bitcoin's looking better though. In other news, Bitcoin is dropping. Go on, Bitcoin. Give me some of that money back. DXY is pulling back. GDX is up like crazy. GDX is strong. Yeah, this is gonna go. This is gonna go, man. Come on, gold. Give us one more pullback before you go. Give us a pullback before you go, man.
Introducing Gemini in Slides, Gmail, and more. Powerful AI with enterprise-grade security that helps businesses research, communicate, and present more effectively. Everyday tasks don't take all day with Gemini for Google Workspace.
Enter a world of play with Oreo and a Minecraft movie special edition. Bite the cookie into a square, scan it, and play the AR experience for a chance to win amazing prizes. Taste, play, win.
To be honest, I'm grasping at straws right now, and we're gonna hope for gold to actually come to the entry. To be honest, I don't think it will, but you never know with gold, so I'm just gonna plot out these coordinates. I think gold might have bamboozled us today. Gold's got me. Yeah, I don't think gold's gonna come back. All right. I mean, Bitcoin was looking good a second ago. Honestly, the pullbacks in Bitcoin can sometimes be crazy. I don't think gold will come back, guys, man. It's unfortunate. Unfortunate. It is very unfortunate. See what Dow's doing. Spurs. This is literally the only thing I'm waiting for. GDX is still pumping up. Like, it's a shame, man. It's a shame. Might have to double down on Bitcoin shorts, you know. I don't think I was gonna come back. Yeah. Oh, that's really annoying, man. That's really annoying, man. Yeah. Very unlucky, fellas, man. Very unlucky. Let me see what else Trump has been saying in the meantime, though. Guys, if you're watching live stream so far and you're enjoying the live stream, don't forget to hit a like on the stream, yeah? We've taken some L's. We've taken 2 L's on gold, 1 W on Bitcoin right now. So far, so good. At least Bitcoin's paving the way with something. Thank you, Bitcoin.
Limited edition
Now,
bars made
to
share.
hold it for this low.
There's a reason some traders
That's the
seem
next
to
question.
know exactly when to enter and exit the markets. Well,
That's the next areas. We'll see if we can get that for Bitcoin. And hopefully, I mean, I'm grasping at straws here, guys. Hopefully we can get a pullback for gold. You guys in any moves right now? Or was it just the gold one I was in a second ago? Okay, gold's pulling back. We might be in action, fellas. So now the question is, are we going to hold this 1 minute imbalance, or can we push through it? That's the next question. Okay, Bitcoin's still dropping, guys. Bitcoin is still dropping. 600 pips so far. We're trying to see how low that wants to go. Yeah, gold's holding, man. Gold is holding. This is the last setup for today. The last setup today. If we don't see like at least TP2 from this setup, I'll blog it off. Come back for this tomorrow. Maybe even next week, but we'll see. Okay, Bitcoin stretching. Go on, Bitcoin, man. Dip the low. Dip the low. Nice. We're about 700 points, 700 pips in profit for Bitcoin. Still dropping. Okay, 750, 780. Now to crack gold. Bitcoin's really pulling through, you know. Bitcoin's really pulling through, guys. I should have just sent out a sell for Bitcoin. That's almost 900 points, 900 pips down. It's a real nice move. Honestly, every time I see just crazy wicks like that for Bitcoin, I'm like, you're just about to just turn around. F you some people. Looks like a pretty decent move. Because it's really, really going for it, this Bitcoin trade. I might just pull out 1 to 2, some partials. Looks like gold's just not gonna play ball with us today. I'm happy with Bitcoin at least. Yeah, Bitcoin's dropping, man. 81.79. Almost at 1,000 pips. Alright, that's TP hit for Bitcoin. We're still dropping. I'm gonna take partials on this. I'm gonna give it a couple more seconds to see how low it wants to print. I'm gonna leave gold alone for now. I do have a buy limit here for gold as well, just so that you guys are aware. We should have just been trading Bitcoin this whole entire time, huh? Did anyone take this BTC short? No? Let me see the chat box. Just waiting on gold at the moment. Nah. Okay. I mean, guys, to be fair, if I tell you that I'm entering something and you have the same analysis or same interpretation, then there's nothing wrong with going for it, you know? Even if it's a 0.01. Alright, going break even on Bitcoin. I think I'm happy with that for the stream, guys. It's been a bit of a 50-50 stream, to be honest with you. You took the BTC trade. Come on. Wish. Amazing, bro. Well done. So look, here's what we're gonna do, yeah. Junior, if you don't mind, small lots. Hey, bro, it's fine. Small lots, big lots, it doesn't matter. If you don't mind, yeah, bro, if you can go inside the Discord, I think you're in the Discord. Put in the profits section, the trade, your Bitcoin trade today, yeah. It doesn't matter if it's small lots, big lots, it doesn't matter. Profit's profit at the end of the day. So if you don't mind doing that for me, yeah, bro, that'll be great. So guys, we're still looking for this pullback here for gold. It might come now, to be honest, because the new hour candle is about to open. If we can get a little pullback, then we can go long. Bitcoin's still dropping. Junior, take partials if you haven't done so already for Bitcoin. I've just taken some. I'm leaving the rest run. Let me see what the GDX looks like. Okay, so GDX is just bust that high. That was fast. Just bust that high there. Looks like gold is just gonna slowly just trickle higher. Slowly just go for it. But I'm gonna stay patient, wait for the zone below. Yeah, check gold, man. Gold's not playing fair today. You're not playing fair at all. Was all of this price action really necessary? Whatever, man. Whatever, gold. Whatever. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to set an alert for all-time highs. It doesn't look like we're going to get a pullback. DXY is dropping. It's just going to give gold more fuel. Unfortunately, we're not able to catch the all-time highs for gold now, but been able to partake in a 1,000 pip drop here for Bitcoin. I reckon I maybe might call the stream here. The new hourly candle. Junior, take some partials if you haven't done so already on Bitcoin, because we have the new hour candle. Might just pull that shit back down. Oh, sorry, back up for gold. Sorry, for Bitcoin. Oh, dollar's dropping. Dollar is dropping. 1 second, guys. Got a phone call.
Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen traits. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
Okay. To be honest, today our fears for gold came true, which was getting the play out of this imbalance and getting a push to the upside. You know, that's almost 50 pips, quite a nice push. I hate admitting defeat today, but gold has bamboozled us today, and it is what it is. BTC, if you haven't taken partials, take partials already. We're definitely in the pullback phase once again. Oh, gold, man. Like, I knew you were going to be a buy today, and you're just not given the opportunity. Like, bro, whatever. Guys, I'm going to call the stream there. Unless if you guys have any questions, put it inside of the chat box. If you haven't liked the live stream already, guys, come on. Like the live, you know. I provide a lot of value, a lot of setups every single day. Just drop a like. That's all I'm asking. Other than that, I will update you guys regularly inside of the Discord. If you're not inside the Discord, link to Discord is in the description box down below. And other than that, money day. Unfortunately, we couldn't catch any trades today. If you didn't catch a Bitcoin, that is. But it is what it is. It's part of the game. I'm going to leave you guys with this gold setup. Like, I doubt we're going to come back down here, to be honest with you. I doubt we are going to pull back down here for a buy. But because essentially the next area for gold becomes this 5-minute candle for a pullback, yeah? Right, that's the next area. We'll probably get maybe a new all-time high leg, or maybe we get very close to it. Do you know what I mean? Maybe we come very, very close to all-time highs, and if we pull back, then you can look to take a buy out of here. Okay, out of this 5-minute candle, 40 pips just about covers it. All-time highs is around 40 pips. Yeah, look, it's not over, right? Because at some point we're gonna see gold at 3K. Yeah, at some point we are gonna see gold at 3K. That's 400 pips away. So with that being said, yeah, that's gonna be the next play. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you guys with that. I'm also going to watch this and give you updates inside the Discord as usual. And yeah, bless up. Joe, what are you doing for S&P for the stock market? You short selling? You buying? It looks a bit topsy turvy today. Looks like it doesn't really know what it wants to do today. I don't think Joe's here. Okay, money day, guys. I will see you guys all inside the Discord. Oh, there's Joe. Joe says sitting on my hands. Okay, cool, bro. Yeah, if you guys can find any way to buy gold, I would just do it, to be honest with you. Pretty sure gold's all-time high is pretty much guaranteed now. There's nothing else for us to do. There's no red folder news to stop us from reaching all-time high. So that's what I want to see. Other than that, money day. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace.